Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the Spotify Dance Party playlist of the Great Wolf Lodge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And then scroll down to the Fun Features section and click on Spotify Dance Party Playlist. And as you tap on it, you will be directed to spotify.com where you can check out the dance playlist of this application. So here you can find the public playlist, so tap on it and then you will be able to listen to these songs. So basically that's it for in the next one. Bye bye.